everyone. Today we're going to do an experiment with Madeline, and I think we're going to do a little bit of mining. All right, Madeline, show everybody what we're doing today.
We are doing mining.
And why were you just laughing?
Dad wants to know if there's a real wooden hammer in here so he can use it for his leather work.
I don't know. What's it say is included? Let Dad have the box for a second.
No, she can.
Block containing 6 real gemstones and minerals or rocks. Wow. 1 dowel, 1 mallet, 1 brush, and detailed instructions. Wow, detailed.
There is a mallet. Can you open it up?
I bet you're going to steal it after this.
It depends on the quality.
Bye-bye.
That is a decent little mallet.
All right, directions.
Hold on. Before you open.
Before you begin, find a clean area with a hard surface to do your work. Cover the area with a protective cover to protect the area from the dust of the sand block. Let's lay everything out. Now, what do we have in there?
Marble block.
An air bubble.
Alright, we have our protected surface. Put the sand block flat on the table and cautiously use your mallet and dowel to start scraping away bits and parts from the block. Do not bang or hammer away at the sand block as it can be unsafe. Use your brush to eliminate dust from the block while you unearth your gems.
Ooh.
Oh, we don't get to smash it? Hey.
Alright, so there's 6 of them, right? Yeah.
That's what the box said, was that there was definitely going to be 6.
Alright, you ready?
You terrify me.
So hard. The instructions say not to do it too hard.
Oh, come on. No. So, did that do anything other than drill a hole?
No.
So, do you think archaeologists start straight in the middle, and those who mine out gems start straight in the middle?
We probably start at the edge. There we go. I'm tired of getting my hands hit. There we go. Oh, I found something.
You did?
Be gentle.
You don't want to hurt the gem.
Something.
Let's use our brush. Use the brush to brush it off.
We are going to have to sweep this place when I'm done. Do you see all that sand coming off?
Let's do this. Now, chisel over here gently.
How more?
Come over here.
Oh, definitely found something.
Alright, come on to this side of it.
Don't use the brush.
Alright, go here next.
Got it out. What is this? Whatever it is,
Brush it off.
it's made out of glass.
You have a chart from Dollywood that'll help us identify them.
Yeah, let's use some water and we'll see if we can get it clean. There it is. There's your first one.
There we go.
Wow, you broke it in half.
Uh-huh. And I found something. Looks like, I hope it's obsidian. I like obsidian. Found it.
You want to rinse it in the water this time, Madeline?
You do have to kind of rub it around a little bit.
That little cup's perfect for that. Ooh, what color is it?
On one side it's white, on the other it's purple. Because when the light hits it, it turns purple. At first it looks black though.
You know what would be cool to make beads out of these? Alright, there's 2. Huh.
Found something. Oh wait, is that? I found 2 somethings.
Throwing powder at me.
You may almost be able to get it out just by brushing it.
I think this one's a pretty big one.
Ooh.
That's white. It's white. It looks like it has a tint of pink to it. Tint, not tend. Ugh.
Be really careful with that next piece. There you go.
It's purple. Whoa, this is... It still has sand on it.
Is it just like the last one?
No, this one's a lighter purple. And it has like this one corner of white purple. I'm gonna try right here because I see something black.
Let me see first. Where?
Down
Oh
there.
yeah, there is something black sticking out.
Right where we found that other purple one, the really dark purple.
I think you're hitting it.
And we might need to back up a little bit.
Yeah, that's it.
See how the sound changed?
It
Did you
looks.
get something?
Yeah, it's a pretty big one.
Try,
Hold on.
try brushing it off. You threw your
where's
brush.
My brush. Oh, I can just. There we go. There we go. Looks like mother of pearl or something. Here. Please. Here we go. See?
That's it. She can't get it apart. Let's break out the dynamite.
Dad! There's a decent sized chunk.
Is that not?
That is something. Oh, it's pretty.
color is this one?
I'm honestly not sure if it's red or orange. Whoa. It's a pretty red-orange creamy.
It's a pretty intense orange.
So this is a gem card that we received from Dollywood when Sarah and Rebecca did some gem panning on our last Dollywood trip. So she's going to try to match these up with what we have. So what one do you think this is?
Amethyst, probably.
That would be a good, safe guess. All right, what about the next one?
Probably this one, too.
All right, what about the next one?
Rose quartz.
Looks good. Okay. Next.
Calcite. And then whatever this is called.
Carnelian.
This is actually a stone.
That is really cool. Was that a fun experiment?
Mm-hmm.
What do you say?
Thanks for watching. Bye.